Hey guys, Brad with Bold. Today I'm going to show you how to install a transformer in this doggone Texas heat. Alright, to mount the transformer, we're going to want to start by measuring off the wall to have it at least 18 inches above the ground. So the reason we want this 18 inches off the ground is so we don't get any splashback up into the ports where our wires are going to be coming out of. So now we've got our transformer nice and level. I'm going to take my marker here and just mark off the holes on top, lined up with the little holes on the top of the transformer. So we're going to take our masonry bit and drill some holes. So your transformer is going to come with a little bag of hardware, which is going to include your screws and your plugs. So we're going to take our plugs and we're just going to tap them into the wall like so. We're just going to screw these in about 90% of the way so we can hang the transformer off of them. Now we'll just take our transformer and slide it onto the screws. So we've got it mounted on the wall. We're just going to make sure we plug it in with a nice drip loop.